Hello everyone, Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video. This time we're going to be going over the African American Heritage Database. This is a great database for those who are interested in getting into their genealogy, their family history. It is one of the biggest digital resources they have that we have for African American history. There's a lot of different types of ways you can go through things like census, and we'll get into that, but just have a couple of your family members' names on hand, just to see, what you can trace back. But it's a very interesting website. Really happy to show you guys how to use it. But yeah, let's get started. Get my video out. Oops, wrong one. There you go. Okay, so as always, we're going to start off with the website, our library's website. It's www.mapld.org. We're going to go to Research and Learning. We're going to go to A to Z List. And we're going to go to African American Heritage. You will need your library card, just your library card, no pin for this one. Once you click on it, it's going to ask for your library card, and once you put it in, you should see this. So you can quickly see that you can get started on somebody's name. Right here, last name, first name, any state, year and range. You can leave it empty if you just want to go through, say, your grandfather's name or great-grandmother's name in your family, and click search, see what brings up. There's a couple different things you can do. You can search the collection, so you can different military draft service records, register of slaves and freed, persons of color. So there's a lot of different ways you can actually specifically search for people. So if you're looking for somebody that was, in the military, you can find that. And you can find through the federal census, even marriage licenses and stuff like that. They also have a community where people will basically get together and share their advice on how they go through their genealogy, how they explore their family trees, and so forth. We also have the Life Genesis, the state-by-state resource guide. It shows you just basically everything by state and the different types of breakdowns. I could actually click on it now and show you guys about the book. Let's go here about the titles. So a survey of the states, and then military records, slavery, National Archives, photo records. So it's going to go by state here. You click on one, it'll take you to that one in particular, and you can investigate more on that. And then, of course, they're going to consult reference and how-tos. They're going to have different things you could actually look up person's name, and then they'll have different resources here too. The community is just going to be, like I said, it's going to be the Genius. It's going to be where you have people that are doing different types of beginner guides, how to look through surnames, family reunions, how to put that together, marriage data, and so forth. But for example, if you want to go through just a regular collection itself, we can go ahead and put in somebody's last name. So we can go with, make up just a name. Let's just do Jones. And we can do Jacob. That's the one I kind of just guessed to see if there was somebody in there. Search. So as you can see, there's different types of results. We have census, draft registration, marriage, service, Freedmen's Bank, habitation, and registers. So those are 0 here. So the census will be the biggest one you can do. We can actually let's go through service. So we have the state of service. So we can actually go with, let's just go South Carolina. So they'll have colored infantry, the year. You click on it, they'll actually have pictures of this piece of information, which I think is really cool. Gives you a sense of just the age and the history behind it. You can go back out. Oops. You can do marriage. So there's 18 people in North Carolina with that name. So they have the age, year, state, their spouse's last name, and first name. So let's just click on, let's see. Let's go this one right here. Marriage certificate. One's a little bit off-centered. Sometimes you get good pictures, sometimes you don't. They are, older documents. So it has more. And then, say for example, we go back, draft registration cards. Of course, there was always huge drafts back in the day. So we can actually see draft registration card and so forth. But it's a great tool to if you're looking into doing your family tree and history, or if you're looking to see if you have a even research paper and you wanted to do some of the ancestry of your family and see, a great great grandfather that fought in a different type of war. Where did he come from? Pull up his draft card, talk about his service and things like that. This is definitely a great way to highlight those people, and it gives you it kind of gives you a feeling of connection. So it's a great website, especially for Black History Month, which I said I was going to be talking about more of our databases that would be used to look for different types of things for your families and your history. So yeah, that's basically it. So once again, you're going to go to the library's website, mapld.org. You're going to go right over to Research and Learning, A to Z list. Remember, have your library card on you and go to African American Heritage right here at the top. If you have any questions, for some reason, if your library card is not working, just give us a call at 708-748-4431, or you can email us mtslib@mapld.org, or you can always talk to us during our Let's Talk Here digital virtual assistance platform here, and then one of us will get back to you as soon as possible on that platform. So 3 different ways to contact us, but please utilize the resources. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. And as always, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.